It happens because hot rock rises, heated by the Earth's core. Near the surface, the rock spreads in two directions and goes sideways. It begins to lose heat. Eventually, the much cooler rock sinks back down. Through this spreading process, the Earth's crust is very slowly dragged apart, and it's this that ultimately causes the continents to move. Where the plates collide, the rock on the seafloor containing carbon from the dead plankton is carried deep into the Earth. As it descends, this layer of rock is heated, so the rock melts, releasing carbon dioxide. And gas is returned back into the atmosphere during an eruption. The remarkable cycle is complete.
Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is convection currents 2. As always, adult supervision is required. What you need for this experiment is a cup of ice water, a cup of hot water, food coloring with 2 cups of room temperature water, pipettes, and a room temperature full tank. Start off by having blue food coloring in water, room temperature water, and red food coloring in room temperature water. The tank is filled with room temperature water. And then underneath the tank, I have 2 cups, one ice cold water underneath the left side labeled and right side hot boiling water. You're going to fill your pipettes up with each food coloring, both room temperature water, and you're going to put it in the tank, blue being on the side of the ice cold and red being on the hot. I continue to keep filling up the pipettes and releasing more food coloring so we can really see the effect here that's going to happen. So we can start seeing that the red is rising, creating a low pressure as the hot air rises, and we can see the blue food color representing the cold air moving over to replace the warm air that is rising. So it's moving into the area where the low pressure is. This is really awesome representation of convection, which creates air movement. As you continue to see, the red continues to rise and the blue continues to get pulled in with the low pressure. It's really amazing. Look in the description for my last convection currents where I actually used ice cubes and hot water inside the tank, where this is underneath the tank. Remember to click thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Heating energy has its burning convection of spreading molecules. Colder will sink smoke we used to see the air, making it visible. Say heating causes energy, less dense, it's floating away. Heat will rise and go, cold is pulling down. Oh, colder, more dense, it can't rise. Staying close, they will reside. Heat will rise and go, cold is pulling down. As they heat up, na na na, molecules bump, na na na. molecules